Experience the charm of down east living at 534 Gillikin Road. This beautiful home is nestled close to everything Beaufort has to offer, featuring numerous improvements completed in 2025. Enjoy the serenity of country living while remaining just minutes from historic Beaufort, Harkers Island, public boat ramps, waterfront dining, and some of the Crystal Coast's best fishing and boating opportunities. With plenty of room to relax, entertain, or create your own coastal retreat, this property offers comfort, convenience, and quiet enjoyment. Whether you're searching for a primary residence, second home, or investment opportunity, you'll appreciate the laid-back atmosphere and desirable location. Just add water to your lifestyle.